Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by again today. So in today's video we are making Zobo drink with this watermelon skin. Yeah, remember last time in our previous video where we did the watermelon juice, I told you I'm going to be using the skin for something else, another recipe. So today we are making Zobo drink with it. And here I have my Zobo leaf which I've rinsed thoroughly. So I'll be transferring this Zobo leaf and other ingredients with the watermelon skin into my pot. Sorry, I'm saying blender. Into my pot. So I'll be adding ginger and all other ingredients we use in cooking Zobo. I have different Zobo recipes in my channel here, YouTube. I will leave the link in the description box below or in the comment section, so you can check other methods of cooking this Zobo, but this is the first time I'm using this watermelon skin, and I tell you it is very refreshing, healthy and delicious. I saw that you can use this watermelon skin, so don't be scared of using it.